So I'm going to start with something a little bit complex, but the definition of impressions. So an impression is whenever someone sees, quote unquote, your URL or your website within Google search results. And by this, I don't actually mean they even have to see it, which is the strange thing. All they have to do is load a page that your URL is present on. So that means that if you are position 10, so you're on the first page of Google, every time someone searches that keyword, you're going to get an impression, even if they didn't scroll down to the 10th position. But the fact that they loaded a search result that included one of your pages, that counts as an impression. Now, if you're on page 2, you don't get an impression unless they actually change the page to page 2, and then they load a page or search result with your keyword on it. And these impressions are very useful. They kind of give you an idea of search volume as well as sort of the overall scope of how much traffic is there. So if you see a lot of impressions for a keyword, you know people are searching it a lot, especially if you're at like position 30. On page 3, you know that there's a lot of traffic there. So it's a very good metric for just kind of equating good keywords that you can go after that you may not be ranking well for, but you can tell there's demand for because people are seeing or searching that term and getting an impression on your URL. And so we'll go a little bit more deep into that and how you can actually use it. It's pretty simple once you start going into things.